from Marcus's Academy. In this video, I will teach us how we can be able to simplify any fractional algebraic expression given to us. Okay, so it shows that we are still on algebraic expressions. Okay, in the last video, I talked about how we can be able to take like terms. Okay, given any algebraic expressions after expression of bracket. Okay, so let's start with number one. Suppose we are given this question for us to simplify x squared minus 4 all over 2x plus 4. Okay, then the general division 4x minus 8 all over s plus 2. Okay, so actually we are given this question to simplify. All right, so how do we do this? Okay, so we start now. We say, okay, let us rewrite this. Okay, we say this is equal to the difference of square here, that is x squared minus 4 divided by 2x plus 4, then divided, this general division sign here, okay, is what I'm having here now, okay, divided by 4x minus 8 all over x plus 2. All right, so we can actually write the question again in this way by taking the reciprocal of this fractional divisor. Okay, so when we take the reciprocal of this, okay, this whole expression here, this binomial here goes up, okay, and this binomial here at the numerator comes down. Okay, that makes the sign, division sign, to change towards multiplication sign. So that gives us x squared minus 4 all over 2x plus 4 times x plus 2, that is this one here, okay, divided by this one here, 4x minus 8. All right. So we are supposed to cancel some terms out, okay, but it is impossible. So let us try to see if we can factorize any of the terms. Okay, let us see if we can factorize any of the expressions, I mean. All right, so for this one, this x squared minus 4, yes, we can factorize it. Okay, the factorization name here is difference of square. All right, okay, so doing that, we know that x squared minus 4 is equals to s plus 4 and x minus 4. All right, so these are the factors, okay, of this difference of square here, s plus 4, s minus 4. Knowing that we will multiply this, we shall get back x squared minus 4. So in place of s squared minus 4 in this expression given to us here, we shall substitute what? The binomial factors. All right, so let me clean this now for us to have space. Okay, so we have, I dropped now. Okay, so now we have, in place of s squared minus 4, and I shall have x plus 4, again x minus, x plus 2, not 4 please, 2, and the x minus 2, please. The reason is because this s squared is a perfect square. Again, this 4 is also a perfect square, so we can reduce 4 to a base 2 and raise it to the index 2. Okay, then factorize to have this. Okay, so divided by, when we come in this one, there is a common factor there, 2. 2 can go in each of the terms, so we bracket out 2 to have 2 cancel 2x, I shall have x plus 2 cancel 4, I shall have 2. Then times, I go to this one here, okay, and there is no factor there. The factor there is 1, okay, so it is not in x plus what? 2 over, I go here, there's a common factor here. 4 can go here and go here, okay, so we bracket out 4 cancel 4x, I shall have x. 4 cancel minus 8, I shall have minus 2, okay, minus 2. I close the bracket, okay, so yeah, let's see if we can cancel out terms. Do you see that this s plus 2 and the s plus 2 here can what be stroke out? All right, again, s plus 2 here. Okay, sorry, it's not plus, it's minus, sorry. It's minus, not plus. Let me clean this, okay. All right, it's x minus 2, please, not plus, okay. So again, this s minus 2 here and s minus 2 here do what? Goes out, okay. So mind you, here I am left with 1. So this x plus 2 here will multiply 1 for me to have what? S plus 2 over, then there is 1 here, okay, there is 2 here, so 2 times 1 is what? 2. All right, so my answer is now what? S plus 2 all over what? 2. Okay, so there is it. Hope there is no mistake. Okay, when I have this s squared minus 4n, 2x plus 4, okay, 4x minus 8, and x plus 2, all right? The factors of this first one is s plus 2, s minus 2, okay? This one, when I factorize this, that is this, bracket out 2 to cancel itself here, to cancel 4 years, I'm right, okay? Again, this s plus 2, normal, okay? 4, yes, cancel itself, all right? So s minus 2, 4 cancel 8, yeah, okay? S minus, okay, I'm right, all right? So, this is how we can be able to simplify this, okay, given this question. Make sure you copy this out, okay, to learn it yourself. Let me clean for me to have the second question. Okay. So the number 2 question comes, okay. It comes now. All right. Okay, this 2 question is number 2 now. It gives me 12s squared minus 7x minus 10 divided by 8x minus 10 times 16s squared, okay, all over 3 over 2x plus 1 all over 16s squared plus 4s squared, okay. So this can be rewritten, okay. Let me do this straight now, okay. Mind you, this fraction here is called the fractional divisor, right, or denominator. All right, so let me just take the reciprocal already and change this division sign into what? Multiplication sign, okay. So I have 12s squared minus 7x minus 10 over 8x minus 10 times 16s squared, right? Okay, so times, when I take the reciprocal of this division sign here changes to multiplication, okay, in this new expression, then the divisor comes up, the divisor comes up, the numerator comes down, okay, or dividend. All right, now I have 16s squared, okay, I have 16s squared plus 4x squared. Okay, all over 3 over 2x plus 1. All right. Let me now go. I'm supposed to cancel out, but there's nothing I can be able to cancel. So let me find the factors first of all. Okay, let me separate this. All right, this is the equation itself. Okay, now coming down, the first, this one here, that is this one here, is a quadratic expression. Okay, or we call it a polynomial of the second degree. Okay, so it has factors. Okay, two binomial factors. Okay, so to do it by inspection, let us look for two numbers, okay, with x's, okay, that when summed together can give us what? Minus 7x, okay. When we also multiply them together, we give us the product of 12 and what? Minus 10. So 12 times minus 10 is minus 120, all right. So the two numbers will be 15 and what? 10. Well, minus 15 and 10 can give us what? Minus 120, all right. So we have this 12x squared minus 15x plus 10x, then minus 10. Now let us group, okay, into two binomial so that we can be able to find what? The GCF. Now, so factor out this, we have 3x as the common factor here. 3x cancel 12x squared, I will have what? 4x. Then 3x cancel minus 15x, I will have minus 5. Again, the other one is what? Plus 2. Plus 2 cancel 10s will give me what? 2 cancel 10. Sorry, what am I writing here? Please. I mean 8, Abby. Yeah, 8. Okay. So plus 2 cancel 8s will give me what? 4x. Plus 2 cancel minus 10 will give me what? Minus 5. Okay. So since these two are the same, so I write out the factors to be 3x plus 2. Again, 4x minus 5. Okay, so here I will have to what? Put the factors now. Okay, substitute this expression now with the factors. Okay, these factors here. So now let me clean this. All right, so we'd have space. Oh, no need, let me just leave it. So in this case I have, in place of 12x squared, all these expressions here, so I will have 3x plus 2, 4x minus 5 all over. Then coming to this divisor here, this one, let me look for a common factor there. I think 8. Yeah, no, 2 is a common factor there. Factoring out 2, I will have 4x minus 5, then times 16x squared times, okay. Here, look for a factor. 4 is a factor, 4s squared, okay. I write 4s squared over multiplied by 4s squared cancel 16s squared. I shall have is it s squared or s cube? Its place is s cube, not s squared. Cube. Yep, s cube, please. Okay, so I shall have 4x. Okay. Then 4 cancel 4 here, 1, s square cancel itself here is 1, so I shall have plus 1. Okay, I close the bracket, divided by, what is the common factor here? This is a problem. We have a fractional coefficient of s here and the constant 1. Then how do we factorize this? It's factorable, of course. Reason, just why not factor out half? Okay, yes, it can go. It can be a factor there. All right. Suppose half cancels 3 over 2x. I will have 3x, of course. I will have 3x. Okay. And when half cancels 1, that is 1 divided by half, will give me plus 2. Okay. Look at it here now. For this first one, when I have 3 over 2 divided by 1 over 2 is equals to 3 over 2 times 2 over 1. 2 and 2 will strike out. I will have 3 over 1, which is what? 3. Simple. Okay? So let me clean it for me to do the other one. All right, again, 2, is it 2? Sorry. 1 divided by what? 1 over 2. This one is the fractional what? Divisor. Okay, it's equals to 1 over 1 times 2 over 1. Now 2 times 1 is what? 2 over 1, which is what? 2. So that is how we got this, okay? Let me stay clean it, okay? All right. So at this juncture, we have terms that can be able to what? Strike themselves out. 3x plus 2 here and 3x plus 2 here can what? Can strike out. So I cancel them. Again, what else? 4x minus 5. 4x minus 5. Do you see? They cancel out. So in this whole expression, I have 1. Okay. Here, 4x squared cancel itself. 1. 4 cancel 16 is what? 2. No, sorry, 4. 4 cancel 16 is 4. Then x squared cancel itself here is 1. Okay, so I have 1 over 2 times, I'm left with 4 here, right? 2 times 4, okay? Again, times, there is half here, okay? So what I'm left here is what? 4x plus 1. So all these times this will give me 4x plus 1 divided by, now 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 equals to 8, okay? 8 times 1 over 2 is what? 4. So here I stop, okay? So the simplified form of this expression is now what? 4x plus 1 divided by what? 4, okay? So I guess this is helpful, okay? So please try to copy this out, okay? And please do not depend on video tutorials, okay? To gain all your knowledge, consult textbooks like A.K. Stroud and many other mathematical textbooks, okay? For you to upgrade yourself, all right? In any field in your field of study that involves what? Mathematics. Thank you for watching. Hope this is helpful. If you found this video so interesting, please do subscribe to my channel from Marcus's Academy.